guys, que la que hay? Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I went ahead and created my vision board that you see right behind me, the tools that you'll need, and then I'll be sharing with you guys my New Year's resolutions that I put on the board. And also some tips that you guys can use, and along with ways that you can go ahead and just visualize your 2019 goals. So if it is something that you are wanting to see, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget that if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell to get notified whenever I post a video, and don't forget to like this video if you like this video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright guys, so behind me you see my board, and this is pretty much what you will need. A board that you can actually get from a board, like a whiteboard that you can get from Walgreens, Dollar Tree, Walmart. It's literally like a white blank board. And then what you want to do is, if you have magazines laying around, if you want to get magazines of things that you want to achieve within the new year that you just see on a magazine, go ahead and do it. I got some. You can also, if you have a printer, just print stuff off of Google Images. That saves you a ton of money. Two of the main things that you will need are going to end up being tape and also a glue stick. Obviously, how the hell are you going to put everything on the board and have it stick if you don't have either a glue stick or tape? So yeah. So I'm going to just be going forward and letting you guys know what I have on my board, and maybe I have some stuff on my board that you like and that you want to add to your board or that are similar to my goals. Go ahead and do it. And also, I want to go ahead and create a tag, so I'm going to be leaving a hashtag down below, and I want to see if you guys make any of these vision boards, and if you do, just go ahead and add the tag. And like I said, a vision board is it's such an amazing creation. Last year I created one, but I didn't finish it. So the fact that I did finish this one, it's really motivating me to actually keep moving forward with it. And I'm very excited. I really want to go ahead and achieve everything that is on my board this year. This is my year. I'm telling you guys right now, this is my year. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start with this side first. As you can see, right here we have Jenna Dewan Tatum. So Jenna Dewan Tatum has a bomb body. Like, look at that body. Yes. So one of my 2019 goals is to lose weight. I've gained a lot of weight within the last couple of years, and I kind of just got comfortable. I didn't see a problem with it, and back in November I got sick, and it just took a toll on me, and it made me feel worse that I was overweight, and it was bad for my health. So honestly, that is one of my main goals, is to get my health up, to get my weight down. I want to look snatched this summer. I want to wear all the clothes that I enjoy, but I am too self-conscious to wear. Like, my goals all have something to do centered around me, and I think that's what's so important, because a lot of the times people lose weight and they do it for so many other reasons that have nothing to do with them and everything to do with people around them. And if you're doing it for that reason, that's not a good reason. Just telling you right now, your whole motives are not going to keep going. You're going to not fail at it, but you're going to give up because you don't have something solid enough to fall on. And I think once you find something or a reason to want to keep doing it, then you're going to keep pushing yourself no matter how hard it gets. So if it is in your New Year's resolution to lose weight, just know that you got this. You can achieve it. Nobody's going to stop you but you. And always keep that in mind. So over here, you're going to have a couple different quotes all around just about weight loss. Like this one particular says, set goals, stay quiet about them, smash the shit out of them, clap for your damn self and repeat. This one right here says, it took more than a day to put it on, it will take more than a day to take it off. Move. This one says, 1 pound at a time. Your body is the baggage you must carry through life. The more access the baggage, the shorter the trip. Losing weight is a mind game. Change your mind, change your body. And then these pictures are just things that I want to accomplish with my weight loss. So I want to make sure I get my glutes going. and then also get a more toned flat tummy, which has always been my goal, just never happened. And then up here, it's a little kind of reminder for me. Stop thinking about how you're missing out on burgers, fries, and cakes. Start thinking about how you're missing out on high cholesterol, diabetes, and sugar spikes, followed by mood and energy plummets. It's by the Do It program. I found it on Google. And then, yeah. Also, with that ties in this photo, because one of my goals for 2019 is basically to go ahead and meditate. So whether that is praying, whether that is yoga, just taking some time out within my mornings, and then just taking time to myself and reflecting on what my goals are, what I'm trying to do with that day, and how I can move forward. Next, we have Miss J to the L-O, hello. And I decided to go ahead and put J-Lo on my vision board just because she's boss. She's a boss. She's Latina. She's doing the damn thing. She has been for the last, I don't know how long. Her style is impeccable. She's a family woman. She's just all around amazing. Body goals at that as well. And she's almost hitting 50. Just want to point that shit out. So she is definitely a great inspiration to me. For sure. Then I have here, think like a lady, act like a boss. So with the new year, I do have personal goals that I want to set in mind. Things that I've been wanting to achieve and that have been playing in the back of my head. And I've just been putting it to the back burner just because I've been self-conscious and I'm just like, oh, I can't do it. But you know what? I'm taking action. I'm doing the damn thing. And this is for me and mine. Like, I'm making this shit happen no matter what. Next, as you can see up here, it has a 2019, a little thing that's a celebrate with a champagne bottle. And that's just signifying 25 years. This year, I'm going to be turning 25. So what you know what that means? A quarter of my life I've lived. And I'm doing the damn thing. So this year, we're making it happen. I don't care what nobody says. You can knock me down. I'm getting back up. I'm proclaiming it. I'm setting it out into the atmosphere because I'm putting that energy out. Alright, next I have a little like picture here that says beauty influencer. And basically my goal with YouTube is to be a beauty influencer, of course, and of course do other things, but mainly beauty. I love makeup and I love what it does and how it makes you feel. See makeup as a work of art. Next I have that little subscriber right here, so the YouTube subscribe button, and next to it is 1,000. So my goal for the new year is to get to 1,000 subscribers. And right next to it, it says relatable content. So my goal in the new year is to go ahead and create content that you guys, of course, can relate to. I want you guys to look at my videos, be so excited to watch them, because, you know, whatever I'm going to be putting out is something that you could definitely relate to. It is something that you're going through or that you're having a hard time with, and you're seeking refuge in one of my videos just to kind of despegar la mente. Like, to let your kind of like relax, just to let everything that's in your mind just USA. Right next to the champagne bottle, you're gonna see the ColourPop and then a L'Oreal lipstick, matte lipstick. Those just signifying that makeup is my main goal within the new year as well. Right next to that, we have a couple of books. If you know me, you know that I love books. So with the new year, of course, nothing is changing. I will still be reading, but I want to be able to get more books knocked out of my pocket. Up here we have money, makeup, and marketing. So like I said, I want to have a couple goals that I want to make happen, and within those goals lies this picture, and only I shall know. Right here there is a blog in bold letters. I did go ahead and create a blog a while back. I just never kind of put it on any of my social media accounts. I never really told anybody. The only people that knew were like my mom and my boyfriend. And the reason I did that was because I've always had a passion for writing. I've always loved writing. So with the new year, I want to definitely do more blog posts, share my experiences with you, share with you guys some things that have been on my mind, things that you can relate to. And again, that's where relatable content comes into play. Alright, so right next to it, there is a sticker that says love yourself, and that is so important for the new year. Alright, so next I have money, like a rolled up ball of money, and that's just signifying saving. So with the new year, saving is in order. The next thing, there is a ring right there. And you know what that means? When the time is right, it'll happen. And that is how it should be. So next, there is another quote right there. Turn your doubts into determination. Yes! Next, you have a sun. This sun is signifying waking up early. I am not a morning person, and I would love to become one in the new year. Heels. I have a pair of like red bottoms, and the reason I put red bottoms on there is because with the new year, I definitely want to wear more heels. Here's a quote that says, when it comes to style, individuality rules. There's a black tux right here, and there's some girls here, celebrities, wearing nice flawless pink tuxes. And with the new year, I definitely want to expand my wardrobe. I love fashion, but I've been self-conscious for so long, and I'm so ready to get out of my bubble. Next, there's this quote right here. Your potential is endless. Go do what you were destined to be. Next, we have Huda Kattan. Anybody who knows Huda Kattan, she's the owner of Huda Beauty. She's definitely a boss lady. She has given the opportunity to her family members to employ them and help them be a part of what her dream is in order to become one of the best makeup brands in the world. And she is doing her damn thing. Next, you have healthy foods, and that's what it signifies right there. I just want to go ahead and eat a lot healthier within the new year, and that is my goal. Next, we have this little cute couple here, and right next to it, it says keeping a strong bond. So with my relationship with my partner, I definitely want to make sure that we obtain a strong bond with the new year, no matter what comes our way. And then there's two different quotes right here. One of them says live with confidence, and the other one says meditation every day. And then in the middle, we have 3 different places that I would love to travel to. So the first one, I'll go ahead and touch bases on, is called La Cueva de Calle, and that is located in my born land of Puerto Rico. And it is something I definitely want to go ahead and make sure to do this year. I miss my siblings. I miss my little nieces and nephew. Definitely want to go ahead and visit them as soon as possible. Next, we have Dominican Republic in the middle. I want to definitely meet Dominican Republic. My boyfriend is Dominican, and he talks so much about it, and so does his family, that it kind of just makes me want to go. And then lastly, we have a picture of Jamaica. And with the new year, I definitely want to go ahead and visit one of those 3 places. If even I get 3 of them done, I'll be so happy. But yeah. Oh, and let me not forget, there's a little heart right here, and I just want to go ahead and live, just have love surrounding me within the new year. That's definitely very, very important. So, like I said, guys, your vision board is just something that you want to take and get crafty with. You don't have to go all out. You could create it with what you have. And I definitely recommend you guys to do it, just because it will help you see what you want to achieve within the new year on paper. A lot of the times we picture it in our heads, and then we kind of don't make those resolutions happen within the new year. And we need to change that. Like, each day, we should aspire to be someone better. So yeah, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. This is definitely one of the many videos that I'm going to be coming up with this year that is about lifestyle, not just about beauty, because at the end of the day, makeup just goes so far deep. And you can take off the makeup and you'll still have to deal with everything that surrounds you. So I want to definitely hit some topics with you guys that are things that affect your lifestyle. And even if you have some ideas on things that you want to see, hit me up on my social media accounts. I will leave them in the bio down below. And also, I'm going to leave my bio for my blog down below as well. You guys definitely enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next couple of ones that are going to be coming up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.